from Yellow House, Kutnato and Hikeno and Hinoka from Greenhouse. Yeah, yeah. Up next, following Atikara. This is a trial. Practice cheni theya. Api shikum tani, api vekum tani. Come here as api kum tano ku bam. Bagi buku moka. Maya, so ipena. Kuto mo new school judge shi sa cheni. First, we have Blue House, Alovito, followed by Chanimu. Blue House. Very easy. Oh. Have Hinoka. Very easy for him as well. Very easy. Wow. Yaputo from Yellow House. Okay. The number of participants will keep decreasing. The height will keep increasing and the number of participants keep. Alovito. Hardly. Chanimu. Oh. Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. I know he can do it. Yes. Well, now we have Hinoka from Greenhouse, from Vilo, and from Greenhouse. Oh, was Re again. I don't know what they just. Okay, the qophe nong so nong pelari zabe new itimi and shikami Don Bosco. Wow, perfect shot. Couple from steady and jump. Aram se. Goes Hinoka and jump. Well done. There goes Yapoto. Finish shot from Yellow House. Wow, hardly. Okay, flow from Red House. Wow, that was beautiful. The competition is going intense. We have couple from Blue House. Aramse. Hinoka from Greenhouse. There goes Yapoto from Yellow House. Okay. You can try your best to win, to take over the third place. We have Yapoto from Yellow House giving his best shot. He can do it. Oh, now we have the both finalists between Pulo and Cabo. They must go. Whoa. Okay, both of the participants are from Red House. Now fighting for the first place. Ultra. Kan keziye ba. Kami keziye iteno itsi tunesha be. Kamya Tua. Kam Kezia Zani. Kam Kezia Zapi. That was really interesting and